Dear Monmouth College family and friends, there is something I'd like to tell you. While receiving my diploma on stage, you want to know the first thing that popped into my mind before walking back to my seat? Coins. It's freshman year again. We are all gathered in the heat, packed together like sardines, listening to President Ditzler speak. He defines the creation, purpose, and meaning of the matriculation coin. This coin, punched out of sheet metal, rimmed, beveled, stamped, and cleaned, with each batch of coins personally examined, just in case any slip through with the slightest imperfection. That is what popped into my head. I am that coin. As a vital part of Monmouth College, I was minted in the year 2009. I've been punched by innovation and desire. I've been stamped and cleaned through the acceptance of social and athletic participation. My rims have been ridged and beveled through struggles and failure that later led to growth and progression. And now, individually, we all have been carefully examined and approved to be sent into the real world to be used for the value that we hold. I am no longer in perfect condition, rather older, wiser, and more mature, holding more value than any monetary piece of metal. And there is something I want to tell you. Throughout my flashback, before returning back to reality, you want to know the loudest thing that spoke to me? Voices. The life of the matriculation coin, the journey through Monmouth College, has been made possible by listening to those voices. Professors, friends, peers, clubs, sports teams, family members, educators, and most important, my own voice. Each one of us has a voice. We don't fit one specific mold. Monmouth College has provided us with the resources and opportunities to express, share, and develop that voice. We create our own experiences, both good and bad, and we have the power to make it a successful, worthwhile journey by the time we reach this stage. I am the keeper of my fate. I control where and when to be heard, and Monmouth College was the institution that provided that necessary luxury. So I ask you, who do you entrust with such a fate? Where will your voice be heard?